Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 1: Software Engineering. Welcome to the first lecture on software engineering. In this lecture, we will cover the foundational concepts, definitions, and importance of software engineering in the field of computer science and the broader technology industry. What is software engineering? Software engineering is the application of engineering principles to the design, development, maintenance, testing, and evaluation of software and systems that make software work. It is a systematic, disciplined, and quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. Importance and goals. Quality: ensure the software meets user requirements and is free from defects. Maintenance: software needs to be maintainable and adaptable to changing requirements. Efficiency: optimize resource usage, including time, memory, and processing power. Scalability: software should be able to handle growing amounts of work or be easily expanded. Security: protect software from unauthorized access and vulnerabilities. 1. Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC. The SDLC is a process used by software engineers to design, develop, and test high-quality software. It includes several phases. 1. Requirement analysis, understanding and documenting what is required by users and stakeholders. 2. Design, planning the software architecture and user interfaces. 3. Implementation, writing the code and converting design into a functional system. 4. Testing, verifying that the software works as intended and is free of bugs. 5. Deployment, releasing the software to users. 6. Maintenance, updating and improving the software over time.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.